Hey guys, Stray Benzes here. Today I've got a practical tip for you because sometimes the simplest things might stumble you or most obvious things pass right by you. They did by me because here's what the strap in the trunk is actually for. You might know, I didn't, but here for the benefit of you, here it is what it's all about. So what I'm talking about here is this strap in the back of the cover plate for the spare tire. So simply put, this is really just to lift it up and to lock it in place. So do you see the slot up here? You take the whole thing up, twist it, lock it in place, and guess what? Now you have access to the spare tire without that stuff being in your way. Neat trick, huh? Leave it up to me, don't know. So, such a simple trip, but really pretty neat. Hope you enjoyed that little strap and didn't get rid of it. And, well, happy wrenching. Keep the classics on the road. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Take care.